country, and he is disgusted basically with all humans, and he just can't get away from humans. So he goes on this trek, this walk of death, where he goes into the rural areas where there's woods all over the place in the small villages, and he only travels by night. And he just every time he smells human, like a fire from a far off way, he'll just get really disgusted and hide. And he just tries to stay away from people.
Des bras, des jambes, des hanches et des épaules. Ensuite de quoi il restera exposé sur cette croix jusqu'à ce que mort s'en suive.